not what your country is doing for you. I think it is time to ask, what can you do for your country?
जी सके तो जी भारत के लिए.
Dear all, please join us for the 14th edition of Bharatiya Chhatra Sansad on the 8th, 9th and 10th of February 2025 on the Kothur campus of MIT World Peace University, Pune. Bharatiya Chhatra Sansad, I believe, is a platform which provides our youth. I firmly believe that nation building starts as a people's movement, and it is very important for us to recognize that it is the youth who have to contribute towards nation building. India is the world's largest democracy with the largest population of youth. As an educational institution, I believe that it is our moral responsibility to sensitize the youth to enter into the policy making and enter into nation building. It is time that we realize that we should ask ourselves, what can we do for our country? I believe that Bharatiya Chhatra Sansad provides this platform to our youth. At MIT World Peace University and specifically MIT School of Government, it is our responsibility to ensure that educated youth enter into the nation building process, and that I firmly believe can be achieved through the Bharatiya Chhatra Sansad. BCS, as it is popularly called, is a platform. It is a classroom of almost more than 10,000 students who assemble under one roof and get an opportunity to express themselves, to show their leadership skills, and thus participate in the process of nation building. Does an educational institution have a role in nation building? Of course, yes. And I believe that the Bharatiya Chhatra Sansad, which is a flagship program of our university, provides this particular platform to our students where they can express themselves, where they can develop their leadership skills. I have been a part of BCS right from its inception. I have seen the growth of BCS from a small platform in 2011 to today we being a large platform with more than 1 lakh alumni of the Bharatiya Chhatra Sansad. I believe that this provides a strong network to our students and they can enter in the process of political leadership. Bharatiya Chhatra Sansad has seen the presence of eminent dignitaries like the late President Honorable Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Eminent politicians, eminent scientists, eminent economists have graced the platform of Bharatiya Chhatra Sansad, thus providing the youth of today an opportunity to interact with the leaders of today. They can thus see the idols in front of them. They can interact with them on a one-to-one basis. They can express their thoughts through the platform of through the stage of Bharatiya Chhatra Sansad, and thus leadership skills are imbibed in these students themselves. BCS started as a movement only in the city of Pune. But today we observe that BCS has spread not just in the state of Maharashtra but across the entire country. We have also seen the participation of foreign students on the platform of BCS, and thus they are also getting to actually experience the vibe of democracy that we have in a country like India. India, which is known for its diversity, today we observe that our students can get to experience that fabric absolutely under one roof on our campus. Bharatiya Chhatra Sansad in fact provides them that particular chance to express themselves with a lot of freedom, but at the same time also ensures that they are aware of the responsibility that they have as the youth of today and the leaders of tomorrow. Today the youth, I feel, need to be trained on what are the requirements of not just the urban India but also the rural Bharat. And I feel Bharatiya Chhatra Sansad provides this particular bridge which connects India with Bharat and provides the youth the platform to experience both worlds. It is our responsibility today to provide the students this particular exposure so that with the support of the education at MIT School of Government, the youth of today can enter in the politics of tomorrow. Ask not what your country is doing for you. I think it is time to ask what can you do for your country. Dear all, please join us for the 14th edition of Bharatiya Chhatra Sansad on the 8th, 9th and 10th of February 2025 on the Kothur campus of MIT World Peace University, Pune.